If you want to live your life in a creative way as an artist, you have to not look back too much. You have to be willing to take whatever you've done and whoever you were and throw them away. The most important decisions you make are not the things you do, but the things you decide not to do. I think death is the most wonderful invention of life. It purges the system of these old models that are obsolete. I have been rejected, but I am still in love. Do your best at every job. Do not sleep. Success generates more success, so be hungry for it. Hire good people with a passion for excellence. No one is going to buy a big phone. My job is not to be easy on people. My job is to take these great people we have and to push them and make them even better. We made the buttons on the screen look so good, you will want to lick them. Recruiting is hard. It is just finding the needles in the haystack. You cannot know enough in a 1-hour interview. I am not dismissing the value of higher education. I am simply saying it comes at the expense of experience. Customers always want something new. That is what makes great products. It is not process, it's content. You know, my main reaction to this money thing is that it is humorous, all the attention to it, because it is hardly the most insightful or valuable thing that has happened to me. Everything is important, that success is in the details. I wish developing great products was as easy as writing a check. If that was the case, Microsoft would have great products. If you define the problem correctly, you almost have the solution. Details matter. It is worth waiting to get it right. The most precious resource we have is time.